Hi guys, it's Ilebaye and I'm back. See you on TV. Ilebaye, you've been here before. What brings you back? Big Brother All Stars. You have achieved so much in less than a year out of Big Brother. How did you do it? Firstly, I would want to thank God Almighty and for the support of my family and my fans, and also Big Brother for giving me the opportunities. I've achieved what I've achieved because of those people. In 10 seconds, tell us where your life is right now. My life is okay. I'm building my business and my empire. As you can see, I'm adding weight, so I'm drinking water and minding my business. How far do you think you'll make it this season and why? I think for me to be given this opportunity, I'm destined to win the money. So let's see how it goes. So if my confidence is going to bring me far and probably make me get the money, it's my luck. Complete the sentence. This season, I'm definitely not going to dull myself like last season. How do you want to be remembered in this season? Ilebaye, the Gen Z, who put the whole fun and got the money. The God's grace. Why did you think you were evicted early? I think I didn't really show myself because of lack of management. So I just went to the house. That's naive Ilebaye, I didn't know anything. So I just went there. I didn't prepare so much. So yeah, and I lost my account. So I just felt like I was just hidden back. So but now I'm back. So what will you do differently this time around? I'll bring myself out more and participate in the tax more, and also the Saturday parties, and I'll socialize more. All the same, I'll just bring out Ilebaye more. Message to your fellow housemates. Hopefully we get along and we'll vibe along and we'll have so much fun. And don't nominate me. Please do not nominate me. Let me stay to the end and get the money. Message to yourself this season. Ilebaye, I'm so proud of you. Make your fans proud, make your family proud, and make yourself proud. And also God.
Big Brother Naija.